Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Calendly to a Lovable AI website. Alright, let's begin. First, open the official Lovable website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, open the project you want to integrate with Calendly. You will be redirected to the project page where you can access the AI chat. In the chat, type, "I want to connect my website with Calendly." The AI will guide you through the integration process. Make sure to respond to any questions the AI asks during this process. These prompts help ensure that the integration is set up correctly and matches your website's layout. After the AI completes its setup instructions, the final step is to replace the dedicated section with your Calendly username. This connects your Calendly account to your Lovable AI website and allows visitors to book appointments directly through your site. So that's basically how you can add Calendly to a Lovable AI website. That's it for this video. Thanks.